Hello everyone and welcome. Let me show you how to solve the circle geometry problem we have on the board right here. The question says find number one angle SQR, number two angle PQS, and number three angle QRO. Now let's start with the first one. We are to find this angle SQR, this angle right here. We see that the arc SR subtends the angle SOR at the center, and it also subtends the angle that we are looking for SQR. And when we remember the theorem that says that angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by the same arc at the circumference, that becomes very easy. So that will make it that SOR is equal to 2 times SQR, and our reason is angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. SOR is 136 degrees, is equal to 2 times SQR. That makes SQR, angle SQR, equal to 136 degrees divided by 2. That gives us 68 degrees. So we found that to be 68 degrees. This angle right here, PSQ, is this angle right here. Notice again that arc PS is the arc that subtends that angle PQS and at that circumference, and it's the same arc that subtends angle POS at the center of the circle. So the same relationship that we used to find the first answer, we can use to find this one, but we need to find the size of the angle at the center that arc subtends. How do we find that? We notice that angle POS, which is the angle at PS subtends at the center, plus angle SOR is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is that both of them are angles on a straight line. So POS is, we don't know. SOR is 136 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. Now POS will be equal to 180 degrees minus 136 degrees. That gives us 44 degrees. Now, POS is twice PQS. So we have that angle POS is equal to 2 times angle PQS. For the reason that angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. POS is 44. So 44 degrees is equal to 2 PQS. And therefore angle PQS will be 44 degrees divided by 2, which is 22 degrees. So we are done with that one also. Now we move to question 3, which says to find angle QRO. QRO, this angle here. So how do we find it? This PQR is a triangle. We know this angle PQR by the theorem that says that the angle subtended by a semicircle is 90. So this will be 90 degrees. We don't know this other angle QPR, but we can find it. And then when we find that, and we already know what this is, we can easily find this, because all of them would now be sum of angles in a triangle. How do we find the angle QPR? Now, we notice that this angle PTS, that's the angle 74 degrees, is exterior to triangle PQT. And that we remember that the exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Therefore, we say that angle PTS is equal to angle PQS plus angle QPR. Our reason is that this PTS is the exterior angle of triangle PQT. And PTS is 74 degrees, PQS is 22 degrees, QPR is what we need to find out. So this will be 74 degrees minus 22 degrees is equal to QPR. That means QPR is equal to 52 degrees. Now we already know that PQR, the angle PQR, is equal to 90 degrees. The reason is angle in semicircle. So having found those two angles, we can use this triangle to find the angle we have to find. Now, we know that QPR, angle PQR, plus angle PQR plus angle PRO will make 180 degrees. The reason is there are sum of angles in a triangle. QPR we've seen to be 52 degrees. PQR is 90 degrees plus QRO is equal to 180 degrees. We add this, we have 142 degrees plus QRO is equal to 180 degrees. That makes that QRO will be 180 degrees minus 142 degrees. And that gives us 38 degrees. Like, share, comment under the video, follow for more. Thank you.